we're gonna change the water pad on my whole home humidifier. Let's do it. So if you look, there I am, hello, 26% indoor humidity. That's lower than I want it to be, and I know that the filter needs replaced. So let's go downstairs and do that. It's extremely cold, and it's colder than that. I don't know why that says that. I think it's just too cold to accurately read, or maybe that is the temp at my soffit where the thermostat is that transmits to this thing, but whatever. It's freaking cold here. We've gotten so much freaking snow. It's freaking mountains out there, and cold and freaking terrible. But anyway, let's go do this. All right, so this is my whole home humidifier. It's the style of it is a bypass humidifier, and basically it takes forced air, blows it across a water pad, and then it evaporates that moisture with the warm air from the exhaust of the fan, and then that air gets returned to the system and pushed throughout the house, basically. It's got this louver here for in the summer months because I don't use it. I shut the water off to it. And then in the winter months, I open. That was the condenser pump. Anyway, water supplies runs down this filter box, or this filter pad, and then goes down and out the drain. But you need to replace these filters quite often, and unfortunately I haven't, and so it needs it. So, I mean, if you look, that's pretty bad. So we'll pull that. This is the water supply. And we'll pull that. And we'll just set it right there in case it kicks on. It'll just run water down the drain. But yeah, this thing's in pretty bad shape. So let's put a new one in it. All right, so here's the new one, here's the old one. I referred to my model number, so that should take care of, like, it should be the correct filter. I'm just gonna use an old rag here and just kind of clean that thing up a little bit. So there's what a new filter should look like. Seems nice. I don't think they have like a flow to them. put water to it and do things. So let's put that back in. So, yeah, that's all on there good. Let me grab that rag quick. And then we'll kind of just clean up in here. So like right now I can feel the warm air coming off of this vent, which would push across this filter with water running across it. And then pull it back down and add moisture to the house. So that's all there. I'm gonna go change the setting on the humidistat, and we'll see if the solenoid opens and supplies some water to this thing. Yeah, that's definitely got water going to it now. Now what that'll do is cascade down through this filter. And then it should come out this drain here, the excess, which I can see that it is. Oh yeah. We'll get some moisture added now. Let's put this cover back on here. Excellent. So now I should expect some improvements to the moisture content of my house during this dry, cold, nasty frickin' winter we're in. All right, so we're all buttoned up and we're back in service. This thing is doing much better now than it was with that old nasty filter. It was all plugged up and stuff. So if you have one of these units, I highly recommend you go replace your filter at least. Depending on how long your winter season is, I'll do mine once every winter. It should have been done a little while ago because we've been cold for a while, but done now. Seems to be working great. I'll have to check the moisture content upstairs once this thing runs for a little while. It ought to change up from that 26% that I showed you at the beginning of the video. So anyway, thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, do all the things, and appreciate it. See ya.